It's about time we brought you another skills and drills test for on-demand performance. This is the Pearl test. My man, Instructor Z, had a flash of inspiration, sketched this out. Our friend Jordan from Battle and Defend brought it together on a downloadable PDF. You need 2 magazines, 4 rounds each. You're going to be 3 yards from the target. Use a good loading process to get to the holster, and let's see what it looks like. All right, safely holster. My time 5:29. Let's see what that target looks like. I'm digging it. Check it out. You got to start out with a laser-like focus on just the tip. Then you transfer down the shaft, placing 3 rounds into it. Do a quick reload, and you place 2 and 2. That's a cutter. I'm going to take it. Guys, download the Pearl test at carrytrainer.com. Thank you, Instructor Z, for that flash of inspiration.
One. Penis. Get over here. X, penis. All right, 1. All right, penis twice. 1. X. All right, turn, let's go. All right, X. All right, 1. All right, back over here, penis. Penis twice. All right, come on back. X.